Hello, my name is Edson Vasquez Borges, and today I'm going to choose some materials that I chose for a specific theme. Yeah, the theme is protecting our planet. For my pre-reading material, I have got some flashcards. In this case, the flashcard contains vocabulary. The theme is, remember, the theme is protecting our planet. What am I going to do with these flashcards? I'm going to introduce a review key environmental vocabulary. This helps the learners to connect a word with real concepts. No? I'm going to activate the previous knowledge, the concepts that they know about protecting the planet, in this case, pollution. I'm going to show this flashcard about pollution. I'm going to explain them what does pollution means, and also I'm going to ask to the learners what this means for them. And the second flashcard that I've got is environment. The students are going to talk about a little bit about their own environment, not talking about all the world, just for a specific place. In this case, the city, ghettos, or their own villages. Environment. I'm going to explain them after they gave their opinions. I'm going to explain about this word, the meaning and the use of this word. And the last flashcard that I've got here is the recycling. With this, the learners are going to share some ideas about these words. I'm going to introduce this word. Right? But what am I going to do in the next process? In this case, while reading materials. For my while reading materials, I've got a simple paragraph with highlighted actions with 6 questions. The topic, protecting our planet. In this case, this helps to focus on the comprehension and vocabulary in context. Answering some questions. How many questions? I said 6 questions. After the reading, this is a simple reading with A1 level. It's very according to the level, and in this case 3rd grade of secondary school. The questions are here in this part 1, 2, and until number 6. This text has got some highlighted expression of words. In this case, we've got here protect the environment, planted trees, pollution, reduce, recycling program, lower carbon emissions, and also positive environmental changes. After the reading, my students are going to answer some questions, the 6 questions that I said. Yeah. For my post-reading materials or the process, I'm going to do a feedback. Why? My students are going to share some ideas about how they help to the planet in their own city, in their home, and also in the town or neighborhood. this post-reading process helps the students develop speaking skills using the critical thinking. In this process, they are going to talk a little bit more about how they can protect the planet. They are going to give some ideas, some extra ideas, they're going to share some ideas about it. Not only the ideas that I've got in the text, that I put it in the text, but they are going to tell a little bit more about it. For example, what they can do in their own family to protect the planet. Maybe they can select the different kind of rubbish, paper, glasses, and toxic rubbish. They can separate this rubbish in different kind of buckets or bags. But there's a big problem that the lorry trash doesn't select this kind of materials or rubbish. But one thing that they can do is to share the ideas of the different ways to recycle plastic, because plastics are very common in our city. We've got bottle plastics, plastic covers of biscuits, and different kind of things. So the learners are going to share this kind of idea, what they can do, what kind of programs they can do, and also what kind of programs they can offer to the government to apply this idea or this kind of project that they can give or explain, obviously in Spanish. They are going to speak in Spanish because the A1 level is not in this A1 level they don't have enough vocabulary to share their ideas all in English, in this language, so they can use the Spanglish too. Okay, the material that I adapted is original text with no local vocabulary. Is this protecting our planet? What did I do? I make it suitable for A1 level, improving the accessibility and comprehension according to our context. In the next video, I'm going to show you a little more about the listening skills. Thank you so much.